Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Power off the Galaxy S23 before you remove the SIM tray. This prevents damage to the card and phone firmware. Remove any protective case or cover first so the tray is accessible. Locate the SIM tray on the bottom left edge of the phone when oriented upright. Use the supplied ejector tool or a 0.8mm pin to press firmly into the hole. Press straight in until the tray pops out 1 to 2 millimeters. Remove the tray fully and lay it on a flat surface. Place your nano SIM with the gold contacts facing down on the tray. Match the cut corner of the SIM to the tray notch so it fits snugly. Do not force the card if it resists. Check alignment again. If you use eSIM, you can activate a second line in settings after inserting the physical SIM. Close the tray gently by pushing it back into the slot until it sits flush. Power the Galaxy S23 back on after the tray is fully seated. Wait up to 2 minutes for the phone to register on the mobile network. Open Settings, then Connections to confirm your carrier name appears and signal bars show. If the phone shows no SIM detected, power off, remove the tray, and reseat the SIM carefully. Inspect the SIM contacts. Wipe gently with a dry microfiber cloth if needed. Contact your carrier if activation or network access still fails after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.